How to redeem promo codes and Marvel Strike Force. Now, for you to be able to redeem those codes, all you have to do is just by simply logging in to Marvel Strike Force official website, and you don't have any other options that you can choose but just to input the code that you have. So for you to be able to get this link right here, so as you can see on the original link for Marvel Strike Force, it's not letting you log in on easily. So for you to be able to get here, just go to the regular marvelstrikeforce.com's official site, and you just have to add something from the URL. Now at the very end on the URL, all you have to do to type in is just player gift with a question mark, and then followed by source equal sign device. Once you enter this, this is gonna be your website. So you can go ahead and log in via Scopely or log in using your Facebook account. So again, just log in on any of these options right here, and you should be able to be redirected to the page for you to input the code. So that's it. That's how you redeem codes in Marvel Strike Force.